pepper would have been preferable. But Mrs. Dash is safer, healthier. Alright. And then I will gently stir. Alright. So you don't want to stir too much because you want to make sure the ackee is not all smushy with the saltfish. Alright. Don't need to add salt because the saltfish is already salted. And so that's my saltfish and the ackee, and then I have boiled dumpling here.